Hi, I'm Eric from AMP. Today I'm here to talk to you about Ram trucks. Rams are equipped with a variety of factory radios with a range of different features. Starting with the entry-level radio, which is a basic AM/FM radio, has a basic LCD screen with no support for a reverse camera. Moving up from there, you can go to a 5-inch LCD touchscreen radio, which now has support for a reverse camera and a few additional features. And for you bighorn owners out there, you know that the higher-end level Rams come equipped with an 8.4-inch touchscreen Uconnect radio, which is a large screen but still not quite as large as the HEIGH10. It's also lacking features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So no matter which factory radio is equipped in your Ram, you can get a lot of great features and a much larger screen by upgrading to the Stinger HEIGH10 10-inch multimedia infotainment system. The first thing you'll notice about the HEIGH10 is the stunning 10-inch HD touchscreen display. And the way our kit mounts the HEIGH10 display on the dash, it looks like it came off the factory showroom floor with the HEIGH10 installed in your Ram. Taking a look at the HEIGH10 and the factory radio side by side, the jump from the 8.4-inch Uconnect to the HEIGH10 isn't super huge. The jump from a 5-inch radio, however, to the HEIGH10 is a massive increase in screen size. And comparing the entry-level radio to the HEIGH10, forget about it. It's clear to see that the HEIGH10 gives you a lot more room for your reverse camera, cargo camera, and other great features. Our kit does retain the original reverse camera and cargo camera if your truck's equipped with either or both of those. And the HEIGH10 does have a total of 4 camera inputs, so in addition to retaining your factory cameras, you can add blind spot cameras or a front camera or a cargo camera to increase your safety and visibility of what's going on with your Ram. If your Ram is equipped with factory steering wheel controls, the kit's going to also retain their functionality, so now you can use your Ram controls to control the HEIGH10 directly from your steering wheel. When it comes to upgrades you can hear and not see, the HEIGH10 is equipped with a 4-channel, 50-watt per channel power amplifier, giving you more power than the factory radio. It also has 6 channels of RCA pre-outs at 4 volts apiece. So if you want to expand your Ram's audio system by adding amplifiers, the HEIGH10 has your back. On top of that, the HEIGH10 gives you a 15-band EQ, which gives you a lot more audio customization than the Ram's factory 3-band EQ. If you purchase the optional micro SD card, you can get offline mapping software from HEIGH10, so you can get turn-by-turn directions and navigation information without the need for a cell phone signal. Thank you for joining us today on this breakdown video of Ram trucks and factory radio features as they compare to the Stinger HEIGH10 10-inch multimedia infotainment system. I think it's pretty clear that no matter what radio is equipped in your Ram, you can add a lot of awesome features with this plug-and-play kit that makes the HEIGH10 look flawless in your Ram. Thanks again for watching.